Today is a good day. These elements have taken off pressures, but there is more to do. As the holidays approach, families, especially parents, are particularly worried. Canadians have been through a lot. They work hard. We see that. We've been able to get through the past couple of years. Everyone had to tighten their belts a little bit. And now we're going to be able to give a tax break for all Canadians. For 2 months, starting December 14th, we're going to remove the GST, HST from groceries. 100% of groceries, all groceries. We're going to remove the GST from restaurant meals, takeouts, fast food. Removing the GST from beer and wine. Removing the GST for essentials like kids' clothing, footwear, diapers, and toys. All tax-free, removing the GST and HST. For 2 months, Canadians are going to get a real break on everything they do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today the topic is Canada going tax-free for 2 months. Yes, you have heard it right. Canada is officially going tax-free for 2 months from December 14th, 2024 till February 15th, 2025. There will be no GST, HST on the eligible purchases. Make sure it is eligible because the list is quite funny. This video is all about this tax holiday which we Canadians will be getting for next 2 months, and we will see if this is any good for us and will it really be saving any money to the Canadians, right? So let's dive into this video and let's start with the video and watch the video until end, and we will see if this is any good for Canadians. Okay, so let's discuss about what this GST HST holiday really means, right? So starting from December 14th, 2024 for a period of next 2 months ending February 15, 2025, Canadian government will not be charging GST HST on the eligible purchases. There is a big list of items which is included and which is not included in this exemption. So I will put that list in the description and you can have a look and see if whatever you're planning to buy, if that is included in the list. But the list goes like, for example, if you buy a Christmas tree for your house decoration, then the Christmas tree is exempted from the tax, but the decorations you will buy is not. Okay, so the list is like that. So you can have a look on the list. And how you can redeem this tax or how you will not pay the tax is quite simple. You go to the store, you buy your whatever eligible item you think you want to buy, and then if the item qualifies for the tax exemption, it automatically does not charge you any tax on it. That's it. There's no like at the end of the year you have to claim your taxes or anything like that on this. So this is a nice part of it. You don't have to do any extra hard work for getting your taxes back. So say if and how it works differently in different provinces. Obviously the provinces like Ontario, Newfoundland and Nova Scotia, they charge you a combined tax which combines of GST and the provincial tax, which is called as HST, right? So if you are in provinces like these, then you will be paying no HST, no GST. If your province just charge you GST, then you will not be paying any GST. For example, if you buy a PlayStation for $500 in Ontario, then it will save you all 13% tax, right? And which will be between $65 to $75. And if you buy a PlayStation in a province which only charges you 5%, then you will be saving $25 on that purchase. So it works like that. Many of the economists believe that it's not a good move from Canadian government. It's just a temporary relief. It's not any long-term solution. And to give this tax break, Canadian government is actually spending a lot of money, which is around $1.6 billion in GST. And for provinces, if they calculate the HST value, it is somewhere around $1.4 billion. So combined, almost approximately $3 billion in these 2 months on these selective items, right? So so these economists believe that once this tax break is done and we go further into like mid of next year, the things will get more expensive. Ultimately, we all know that all these taxes come from our pocket only, right? So um, government is basically giving this money back to us. There's no full time or fixed or permanent solution to this as of now, and these tax breaks will give some relief, but not a full time permanent relief.
After doubling housing costs and inflating food prices 37% faster in Canada than in the United States, with inflationary carbon taxes and deficit spending, the Prime Minister now has a tiny 2-month tax trick that will save you 10 cents on a pack of chips, save you a few pennies on a Christmas tree, but only after your Christmas tree is already up and decorated. You'll even save on Halloween costumes 2 months after Halloween. Does he really expect Canadians to fall for this tiny tax trick just before he quadruples the carbon tax on heat, homes, gas, and groceries?
So I think, I mean, again, it will save some money for some Canadians who are planning to buy all these items, but in the longer term, I guess it will make things more difficult. So that's my point of view. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think? And if you have any suggestions, or if you think that this is a good step from Canadian government, please comment below. I would love to hear your views as well. And if you have any suggestion to me, please comment below as well. And if you like the video and watch the video till here, please share and subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.